But if you'd like to leave a message...
You.
Are you home?
Yes, how can I help you?
Oh, well, I'm your neighbor. Let's see. Actually, I'm U.S. President Emory Garner, and I'm having a little trouble getting to my trust attorney. I had an agent steal some money from me and everything. I hate to ask, I got plenty of money in trust. Is there a way I could borrow any money till tomorrow till I can get to my trust attorney?
I think you need to leave my property, sir.
Oh, that's not a problem. No problem. Thank you.